But we have got just about half an hour before we're going to go live with tonight's retro game night. But I am the idiot with a microphone, and my idiocy knows no bounds. And today we're going to do some extreme unboxing as fast as we possibly can. We're going to use a couple of things, one of which is my second favorite tool in the universe, my pocket knife. And I'm going to send you over to camera 2 really fast. This is what the room looks like when the blinds are open and you've got stuff going on outside. I've raised camera 2 up a little bit so you can see a little bit more of the room because I, earlier today, installed a big curtain rod up there. And the curtain rod is important because the curtain rod, unlike Mjolnir, has a specific use. And that specific use is for what's in this box. So we're going to open this box up right now, and we're going to see all the fun stuff that's going on. Unlike the earlier stream, I am talking directly into this microphone, and it is recording, and that's important. All right, very light around the edges. There is cloth in here, and there are a bunch of things we need to deal with. First up, DVD cases. I ordered the wrong case. These are 4-disc case. I was ordering 6-disc cases, which makes me... I still need these, but I needed 6-disc cases for a specific project that I'm doing. So I'll deal with that tomorrow. This is the bonus lighting I was talking about that I need to make this backlight work exactly how it needs to go. And so these are really simple, really easy to install lights. In fact, I'm going to install one while we watch, just so you know what I'm talking about in terms of lighting. They come to a box, and specifically, they come with their own tripod, right? You don't have to worry much about how it goes. And once you take this little plastic cover off, the amount of tripod that you get depends a great deal on what you're willing to do with it. So it's quick and easy. It sets in one space. You turn it on, you turn it off. You turn it on, you turn it off. And that's all you need to do with it. They come with filters, not unlike the filters that I've got for the other lights in this room. I'll show you how those work. Basically, it's a little plastic bit you put on the top. Changes the color of the light. That's it. Nothing special. I need white for this room to work the right way. So it comes with a 6-foot cord. Sometimes you need more. Downstairs, I needed to put in an extension cord on the 6-foot cord to get it to where the power was, because these lights are on top of bookshelves to give a better reflection off the top of the room. So very simple. Got its own tripod, like I said. You set it up back here. Assuming I can actually do this. All right. I've got a power supply behind this record player, and I'm going to plug in this light. I'm going to try to plug in this light. All right, the light's plugged in. Going to raise camera 1 up a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. The light's going to live here. And when I turn it on, you can see I'll have a lot more coverage with the light. I'm going to turn this a bit. Move this curtain rod out of the way. So the way you change the angle of it is that tripod in the back. Now, this is going to be particularly interesting, given that I stacked some boxes in this exact spot, thinking that they would be at a good place. They are not in a good place, so I'm going to move these boxes. Again, this is extreme unboxing. We're going to go as fast as we can here. These are packing materials I need to ship books for rsentertainment.com. Remember, rsentertainment.com is where you should go for all of your independent needs, independent authoring needs. So put that there. All right. So I've got light. Light is shining on this wall. It's where we want it to be. Move this into the other room. That, by the way, was a curtain rod. And the curtain rod is a lot like the one I installed up there. So, with one of these lights installed, there's already more lighting coverage in the room. And now we've got what I really need. We've got this. Look at that. It's already separating out, right? These, you can see the test pattern for the capture card on this green screen, and it's not even installed yet. It's not even up. It comes with 4 little Velcro clips for various sorts of installation that are not what we're doing today. What we are doing is we are just going to use this thing flat out. We're going to put the thick curtain rod through it, hang the rod up there, and then we are done. So, I'm going to turn camera 2 back to the high shot, leaving that blooming light in there so you get just the right idea of what we're going to accomplish. Yeah, it's not working right. Camera 2 is a little persnickety. You really shouldn't be maneuvering it that much. Thanks for showing up, whoever that is. I'll check here really fast. See my melon head. Hey, we got Go With Him and Misapplying. If you are robots, that is cool. I don't judge. Alright. That is the curtain rod. And it's a tension rod, so all I have to do is push on a little bit, it comes off. It's a 6 foot rod. This is a 6 foot green screen, 6x9 green screen. Full action. I'm a wizard. You can't see me. I'm not a wizard. I'm an idiot with a microphone. And this is just about as idiotic an idea for a stream as I've ever had. Alright. Got the hole. The curtain rod goes in the hole. Cage goes in the water. Shark's in the water. You go in the cage. Looking pretty good. Alright. We will get this squared away in just a moment. Rod on that side. And the rod goes on this side. And the tension of the spring holds it in place. So, good coverage all the way over there. Looking good. It's got a lot of drape. We like that. It's got a lot of drape. We go behind this filing cabinet. It's bunching up at the bottom, but that's okay. We really care about the top. So we'll move these monitors forward slightly. Move over here. Oh, so much better. One of the really nice things about this is that I can light it. I can light it well, clearly. I can light that over there. It'll drape down here below where camera 2 usually picks up. So I'm going to set camera 2 back into its normal spot. And that's me, like that. We've got a little extra light blooming in through there, in fact. So I'm going to turn off that capture card. There we go. Now there's just the pyramids. Pyramids don't suck. Like, I think I'm going to have to pull this table out just a hair. It's just trickier than you think, because I have stacked things in front of it, because I am an idiot. And that stack just fell over. But that's enough for it to drape all the way down. People are going to yell at me about my cable management, and that's okay, because I need to be yelled at. Yeah, I am stepping on all sorts of DVDs and stuff that shouldn't be stepped on. But this is going to work. This is really going to work. Now I can turn the sensitivity down or up a bit to make sure that I'll have the coverage I need. So let's go look at the filters. Put those filter right over here so you can see it. All right. That's a 100% filter. Now you see nothing. We want to see more of me and less of everything else. So just like that. Yeah, I think we're in a good place. A good place. So the other one of these lights, there are two lights in here. There's totally two lights in here. All right, so this light is going to go up on top of the computer where my existing light is. They are roughly the same LED count.
I don't know that.
Yeah. Okay. Got to deal with the stack of DVDs I just knocked over. Because I am an idiot, as previously mentioned. Okay, that was fun. So this light is going to come down here. And we'll make sure that we've got proper coverage there, and we do. You can see plenty of illumination back there. And this one, I'm going to put on top of the computer to make sure I'll have coverage against the green screen. And I'll deal with that between broadcasts. And there's one last thing we got to do here to make sure that the Temple of Technology is firmly prepped for evening services. Want us to chuck that box out? We don't need it. It's time to set up the actual green screen. You do that by, oh, can't see it. Hold on. If I'm doing stuff on camera one, we should turn camera one on, don't you think? I think it's a great idea. All right, you can already see there's more light in this room already, which is a pretty strong thing. So this is the green screen. Comes in my big case. Yeah, put the legs out for stability before you start. Make sure that my impromptu reorganization doesn't mess with things too badly. It's already changed where I have to place this for coverage. So we've already got a little more light in here. than we did before. But it's not that bad. Oh, so yeah, there's a lot of light. I gotta get this stabilized so we know exactly what we need to do. But it's not bad. I'll go back to camera 2. Got full coverage all the way around here and down there. We just need to fix the chroma key a little bit. It's green. Because, oh, I know what to do. Yeah. They're technically the same color. It's just a matter of where the lighting is and where stuff is squared away. And they should look black, completely black. But now my blackness, my personal self is changing around. So we're going to get these lights squared away in the next few minutes. And there's a lot of spillage going on here. But it's looking pretty good. And I'm also going to close the blinds behind there. But that's it. That's us. That's 15 minutes in the Temple of Technology. If you are a real person and you watch this, thank you. Otherwise, come back in about 15-20 minutes, and we're going to be streaming tonight, Retro Game Night. Thank you, everybody.